Here are the 5 key principles that help in sustaining operational excellence on a day-to-day basis. 1. Fostering a culture of continuous improvement in the organization is vital so that employees feel empowered to suggest and implement the philosophy. Change is crucial. In addition, it is also important that the spirit of becoming a self-starter or self-motivator is encouraged. 2. Regular training and skill development is essential to keep team members updated, relevant, and proficient in their roles. 3. Clear communication of goals and regular feedback between management board and employees is essential to ensure that everyone understands their role and responsibility in achieving operational excellence. 4. Installing and implementing effective performance metrics is essential to regularly assess processes and improve them appropriately. Doing this is very important to maintain high standards of quality, profitability, and resilience. 5. Recognizing and rewarding employees for their contributions towards improvement efforts motivates them to provide ongoing commitment to operational excellence. These are the 5 key principles that are necessary to sustain operational excellence on a day-to-day basis.
Visit drShrutiBhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies, and free white papers.